Hi everybody, my name is David and this is the Cartoon Fortress YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm really excited to bring you the unboxing of a really unique box set, and this is from Vinegar Syndrome, who admittedly I don't do a lot of buying from. In fact, up until this point I only have a couple of Vinegar Syndrome titles in my collection. The first being Tammy and the T-Rex. As you can see, I don't have the slipcover edition on this one, but this is the 2-disc Blu Ray edition and is a really fun release. And the other, which I do have the slipcover on, is Rad. And I really like the colors on this one. Anyways, this is the 4K release, which has the 4K and Blu Ray disc. So they do some really great releases. There's just not a whole ton of items in their catalog that I have a lot of interest in, and so I just haven't purchased a lot. But there is a title that came up recently that a lot of YouTubers have been covering, and it's intriguing enough to me that I decided to go ahead and pick it up. And the style of set here is actually, I believe it's something that Vinegar Syndrome patented, and so I had to pick it up and see for myself. And in person, this is a really, really beautiful set. And the set that we are talking about is the Beastmaster. So I know this has been covered like crazy on YouTube, but you can see we get some really, really cool artwork here on the cover as well as on the back. And I believe what's patented here, so this is kind of you can see a box set style release, and I believe what they patented here was actually this magnetic, there's a magnetic latch here that you unlatch and then you open up the set. So from what I understand, they're going to be doing, this is going to be the first of what will be a series of releases that they do in this style of packaging. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what future releases they put in this style of box. And we will, of course, go ahead and switch to the other camera and get this unboxed so we can see what is on the inside. Alright, so here is our set for the Beastmaster, the epic adventure of a new kind of hero. So here is the artwork on the cover. You can see just highly detailed, very, it's got that painted aesthetic to it. And well, actually, let's show you around the box a little bit here. So we have the side, there again, this is the front. There's our spine with the film title. And then on the back, we have some more really great artwork. Absolutely love it. And then here we have that patented magnetic latch here on the side, which is great. So that obviously holds all the contents in. And then on the inside here, the artwork just continues. Really, really cool looking set here. And then we have this nice little pull tab here that keeps the contents on the inside, which is really great. So this is the slipcover for the 4K disc, and this is a 4K Blu Ray combo. There is the artwork, and we have, as you can see, the reflection in there. We have some nice spot glossing on the artwork here. And then there's the side. There's the artwork on the back. All right, so really great presentation. So if we remove the slipcover, and I love their slipcovers, as you can see, these are really thick, sturdy slipcovers that come from Vinegar Syndrome, which is great. I already pulled off the shrink wrap on the disc here, but here we have the cover art on the actual 4K case here. And then looking on the back here, if you want to go ahead and pause that, you can, and read up on the synopsis on the film as well as the special features, which we have quite a few here, which is really great. And something to note, this is a region-free disc. This comes to us from 1982 with a runtime of 118 minutes. And yeah, just great to see a really stacked disc here. Now there's looks like special features on the UHD and Blu-ray. And then there are some features that are just on the Blu-ray disc on the inside. So let's go ahead and open this up. So no booklet or insert or anything to speak of on the inside here, but we do get really great disc art. So there is the 4K disc, and then we actually get two Blu-ray discs. So I'm sure one of these will have, yeah, so here we get the original version plus the Beastmaster Chronicles. And then on the other Blu-ray disc, we get the alternate new video effects or VFX version plus additional special features. So you do get alternate versions of the film and special features here on the Blu-ray discs. Whoops, and that is not good. So just a really just trying to get this in here. Be careful I don't break the little pegs here. Yeah, so just a really stacked release here. 3 discs and plenty of extra features to get to, as well as the alternate versions of the film. So we have more to go here on the inside. So we pull out the book here, and we get on the back, we get one last really stellar piece of artwork. So as you can see, just visually, this is really something to behold, and kind of something you almost have to see in person. It's just really, really well put together. And last but certainly not least, because booklets are one of my favorite things to get in sets like this, we do have a perfect bound style book with the same artwork that we find on the cover of the 4K case. So really great art. And then on the back, we just have the Vinegar Syndrome logo, as well as a little bit of a carryover from the artwork from the cover. So that does wrap a little bit there on the spine and then going to the back. So opening the booklet here, let's go ahead and move the box out of the way here a little bit. So we have essays and photo book. So it looks like we have some international release posters. Here we have a look at some of the concept art, which is really great. I'm always a fan of concept art and seeing some of the original or early on ideas. Here we have Remembering the Beastmaster by Don Coscarelli. All right, some more international release posters. We have The Animal Magnetism of the Beastmaster by Michael Gingold. So lots to read up on here with a couple of great essays and great photos. And then we have some technical information here about the print and the scan, and then special thanks. And then last, we have another international release poster image here, and then nothing on the end. So really great booklet here. Again, some great essays and photos to get into there. And that is the last element here that we have to look at in this release. So this all goes back together really nicely. Just a really beautiful overall set here, and I really like that magnetic latch, so everything comes together really nicely. Just an absolutely stellar release here of the Beastmaster from Vinegar Syndrome. Alright everybody, that does it for this video. Thank you so much again for joining me on the channel and watching this video. Let me know down in the comments if this is a set that you're looking to pick up. Now keep in mind that this is a limited edition release And last I checked, there are more than 1,000 copies available, but keep in mind that that could change at any time. So if this is a copy or a release that you're looking to get, I would advise going over to Vinegar Syndrome's site and picking up a copy for yourself. Also, let me know in the comments if this is a film that you enjoy. This is not one that I grew up on, and so I'm excited to see it now and see what my thoughts are, but really, really wonderful looking release here from Vinegar Syndrome. And if you're new to the channel and you found this video helpful or entertaining in any way, I do ask that you hit that subscribe button, also hit the like button and the bell icon. That will notify you when I upload new videos in the future. And until next time, my name is David, and you have a great day.